Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen rotation not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button, swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen and you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on System and Update. Click on Backup and Reset and click on Reset Phone and click on Reset All Settings. Enter phone pin and click on Reset. After click on Reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so update your software. Click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down to End. Click on System and Update. Click on Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screen rotation not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.